Hello animal friends. We must have heard in our family or community about some myths about animals. In this video, we will look at 3 myths that you might have heard before. Are these myths really myths or are they facts? Brace yourself because this video will try to answer that. Let's get started. 1. Rattlesnakes are always light in color. The color of a rattlesnake can vary greatly, and there is no direct correlation between the color of a snake's body and the presence of venom in its body. Some venomous snakes do have a bright and striking body color, which serves the purpose of warning potential predators or enemies of their venomous nature. These bright colors are often referred to as warning colors, or apotheosis, which serve as a warning that the snake is dangerous. However, there are also venomous snakes that have darker body colors or tend to resemble the environment they live in, such as vipers that live in forests or darker environments. This inconspicuous body color helps them to be more camouflaged and avoid detection by predators or potential prey. So, it is not always true that rattlesnakes are always light-colored. So, the myth that rattlesnakes are always light-colored is false. In fact, the body coloration of rattlesnakes can vary greatly, and there are rattlesnakes with light colors as well as darker body colors. The body coloration of rattlesnakes can be influenced by a variety of factors, including the environment they live in and the purpose of warning against potential predators or enemies. 2. Camels can store water in their humps. Camels have a special ability to store water in their humps, which is one of several remarkable adaptations they have to survive in the dry desert environment. The camel's hump is actually a collection of fatty tissue, not water, which serves as a source of energy and nutrients when food is scarce or water is hard to find. When camels consume water-rich foods, such as fresh grass, their humps shrink as fat is used to support metabolism and daily activities. When camels are thirsty due to lack of access to water sources, they can use the fat reserves in their humps as a source of water. This process involves the breakdown of fat into water and carbon dioxide through metabolism, which allows camels to survive during long periods of water scarcity. The ability of camels to store water in their humps and use fat as a water source is a remarkable adaptation that allows them to survive in challenging environments such as the desert. So, it is a fact that camels can store water in their humps. Camel humps contain fatty tissue that can be broken down into water and used as a water source to survive in the water scarcity conditions of the desert environment. This adaptation makes camels tough and durable animals in harsh and dry environments. 3. Rabbits can reduce the length of their ears when they feel threatened. The length of a rabbit's ears is determined by the bone structure and muscle tissue inside, which determines the size of their ears from birth and cannot be actively changed by the rabbit. It is a myth that rabbits can adjust the length of their ears, but the truth is that they do not have the ability to do so. The length of rabbits' ears, which tend to be longer compared to other small animals, serves a variety of important functions in their lives. Long ears assist rabbits in detecting sounds and expand their field of vision. When rabbits feel threatened, they may point their ears forward or sideways to hear better and recognize threats from their surroundings, but they cannot change the physical length of those ears. So, it is a myth that rabbits can reduce the length of their ears when they feel threatened. The length of a rabbit's ears is determined by the bone and muscle structure within them and cannot be actively regulated or changed by the rabbit. There is a lot of folklore surrounding this ability, but the truth is that the length of a rabbit's ears remains the same and does not change. So that's our video for today. Hopefully this video can answer your questions about the 3 myths discussed in this video. See you again in the next discussions. Thank you.